You're probably wondering if your business needs social media, the only media you can use to reach the entire internet population with just a few clicks. The fact is that Facebook has over 1 billion users from all around the world. In the US alone, 80% of people use a social network. Not only that, but 23% of all online usage is spent on social websites. We could go on and on with stats from YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social websites, but the reality is this: most of your potential clients can now be easily reached with a social media strategy. In fact, research shows that 77% of buyers are more likely to do business with a company that has an online social presence. Don't trust these numbers? Go and research what other business owners say about social media. We can tell you right now that half of them report getting new customers after using the still virgin territory. So why not start now and get an unfair advantage over your competition while also increasing your sales?